rarity is this castle and the beast. I wonder what I shall find today. What a strange room. Everything is all here. I can't believe it. It's the prince. A picture of the prince, so he's real. Hello, beast.
Do you have your name?
Yes, the castle is full of lovely things. I was very happy.
Tell me, Beauty, do you really like being here?
Oh yes, beast.
And do you like me?
Oh yes, you are very kind to me. Beast, what do you do all day? I never see you in the castle. Have you got any friends?
Beauty, do you love me? Will you marry me? Say what you feel, Beauty. I only want your honest feelings.
I don't love you. I don't want you to be sad or lonely. But the truth is, I must love the person that I marry.
Beauty, don't believe everything you see. Find me, my love, and save me.
If only my sister and my father could see this. I miss father. I wish I could see him. Father, don't die. Wait for me. I'm coming to take care of you. Oh, Beast, my father is ill. Let me go and see him.
Don't worry, Beauty. Your father is here, but he's not going to die. Is it right that you visit him, though?
He needs me. Where can I go?
You can go very soon, maybe tomorrow. But I want you to remember something very important.
What is it?
Your place is here in the castle, and you must return. You must stay with your father for 1 month. He will get better.
Don't worry, and we'll be back here in a month.
Beauty, you must promise this.
I promise.
Good. Take this.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yes, and it's special too. Put in your finger. Turn the ring from your fingers 3 times. You will not need a horse to return. Just say goodbye to your family, go to bed and turn the ring 3 times. Do you understand?
Yes, and I will keep my promise. And Beast?
Yes.
Thank you. He is so kind. There is something soft and gentle in him. Sometimes I want to cry when I look at him. What will father say when he sees me? I can't wait to see him, but I feel sad about leaving the beast.
Oh, Beauty, why are you leaving me?
I'm only going to see my father, who is very ill.
I'll die if you leave, please.
You won't die. I will come back.
Why don't you save me, Beauty? Find me and save me.
I am looking for you, Prince, but I can't find you.
Beauty, things are not the way they seem.
Beauty, where do you come from?
Oh, father, I don't know how I got here, but never mind about me. How are you?
My dear, I have been very ill, but I am going to be alright.
You will get much better now that I am here to look after you. Life in the castle is fantastic and the rooms are wonderful.
How lovely, but Beauty, what about the beast?
The beast is my father. He visits me every evening and he wants me to be happy. He is very kind.
Are you going back to the castle, Beauty?
Yes, father, I must. But don't think about it. Let's just enjoy our time together. I can't leave him. I promised him and he is so kind. I don't want to hurt him. I can't let the beast die, but I can't hurt my father. What shall I do?